Hi, good morning. My name is Dr. Pankaj Talwar and I'm your friend, and I welcome you all back again to our YouTube channel called Vitro. In this channel, we very frequently discuss various issues which you raise to us through the social media platforms. One very common query which I am getting nowadays is about IVF at menopausal age group. Menopause sets in our country in the woman at an age between 46 and 52 years. In certain conditions, it may set up earlier, where we say the woman has gone into premature menopause or premature ovarian failure. Menopause, when it sets in, it brings with it cessation of the periods and also the loss of fertility. At menopause, the ovarian reserve of the ovaries in the woman nearly falls to zero, and subsequently she cannot conceive on her own. Similar condition called premature ovarian failure occurs less than 40 years of age, and it occurs due to multiple reasons, and here also the woman loses the fertility and she stops ovulating and there is complete loss of her ovarian function. These two conditions are very common, and women normally come to us with menopause and inability to conceive. Today we will be talking about IVF at menopausal age group. As I have told you, menopause means somewhere between 45 and 50 years of age. So we find that the women who get married late, they may come to us at a menopausal age group. Number two, there are some women who plan their childhood later. So as they delay their childbirth, even if they are married earlier, they may enter into the perimenopausal or menopausal age group population, and they may have the problem. And yes, there are some people who come to us with any mishap in their families, where we find that they have lost their only child, daughter or a son due to some mishap, some calamity, and they now want to conceive again. This is also a small group which we encounter nearly every month. So what happens at menopause? As we have spoken, that the ovarian functions, they shut down at menopause. So what we do is that we start building your uterine lining, which we call as endometrium, by giving you some drugs. We normally give you some tablets of estradiol, which will increase the size of your uterine cavity and build up your endometrium. And side by side, we offer you something called donor egg cycles. In the donor egg cycles, we get the eggs from a young woman, and eggs are retrieved from her by doing an IVF, and then we take sample of your husband. Nice embryos are created in the laboratory, and these embryos can be given to you. This is an absolutely legal methodology by which we can carry out an IVF and help you conceive. So all the women who have got either premature ovarian failure, less than 40 years of age, or the women who are in the perimenopausal age group or who have attained menopause, they need not worry. There are multiple methods by which we can help the woman at menopause conceive. So IVF at menopause is a possibility which we are doing nearly every day. So all of you should not get disheartened. There are technologies to help you, and I'm sure you would have learnt a lot by this short video. आज मुझे अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि हमने आज कुछ एक दूसरे से कुछ सीखा होगा. We are always there for you 24/7. In case you want to know more, you can always contact us. And in case you have liked the video, please share and subscribe. There are a lot of women like you who are there who need help, and we are there always with all of you. Thank you.